Welcome to our latest video from GSC. Wall Street is on the cusp of a significant trial this week as the third quarter earnings season unfolds, accompanied by escalating geopolitical tensions and revived concerns about inflation. The financial markets commence one of the most momentous weeks of the year on Monday. Investors are hoping that the initial indications of a robust third quarter earnings season will help counterbalance the mounting geopolitical risks and renewed anxieties about interest rates and inflation. A slew of S&P 500 companies, including Tesla, Netflix, AT&T, and Johnson & Johnson, among others, is set to disclose their September quarter earnings over the next 5 days. Last week began on a positive note with better-than-expected updates from United Health Group and JP Morgan Chase. However, JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon sounded a note of caution, highlighting the combined geopolitical hazards in Europe, the Gulf region, and China. He suggested that we may be facing one of the most perilous periods the world has witnessed in decades. Given such concerns, the upcoming earnings reports are likely to carry added significance as investors seek reasons to prolong their bets on a year-end rally for the S&P 500. Bank of America's Savita Subramanian observes that this third quarter earnings season stands out as the first since the end of 2021 that has not seen downward revisions leading up to the reporting period. She adds that various macroeconomic indicators point toward a positive outcome in overall S&P 500 profits. In her words, "We see more green shoots than red flags." Data from the London Stock Exchange Group suggests that the collective profits of S&P 500 companies are poised to rise by 2.2% from the previous year, reaching a share-weighted total of $468.8 billion. Additionally, earnings growth is expected to accelerate further in the final months of the year, with current forecasts predicting a 10.6% increase in S&P 500 profits compared to the same period last year, reaching $482.5 billion. Beyond the flurry of earnings reports, investors will also pay close attention to the release of September retail sales data on Tuesday. Attention will be focused on whether the surge in oil and gasoline prices is diverting spending away from discretionary categories like restaurants and clothing stores. In addition to earnings and economic data, market participants will closely follow a series of Federal Reserve speakers during the week. This includes a notable address by Chairman Jerome Powell to the Economic Club of New York on Thursday. In summary, as Wall Street navigates through a pivotal week marked by earnings, economic data, and central bank insights, investors remain hopeful that strong corporate performance will offset the growing challenges and uncertainties in the global economic landscape. Thank you for watching from GSC.